Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika Dang and today I'm exploring the fantastic new refrigerator by Marque by Flipkart. Now the SBS 560W is a 560-litre, side-by-side, energy-efficient and frost-free refrigerator. This fridge is a steal in its category, taking care of all refrigerator requirements of a large family at a phenomenally low cost. So let's check out all the features one by one. This refrigerator comes with an excellent spacing ratio of 66:34. What this means is that you have better storage space for both your frozen foods and fresh foods. The Marque 560-litre boasts top industry standards in its design and efficiency. With a height of 1786 mm, width of 910 mm and a depth of 643 mm, this refrigerator occupies less space in your kitchen while providing optimum storage capacity, keeping your food fresh. This refrigerator comes in an elegant and stylish design. Keeping with modern aesthetics, it has a VCM silver finish, blending in perfectly with your modern living space. Along with being stylish, this refrigerator is easy to use and maintain by all members of the family. So no more struggling with the manuals. Now what makes this refrigerator your number one option? Apart from all the features that I just mentioned, this fridge is designed to provide optimum value and efficiency. The freezer alone comes with 5 shelves, 4 door bins, 1 ice twisted tray and 2 big pull-out drawers. What do you need 2 big pull-out drawers for? Your child's birthday party or a festival celebration inevitably lead to leftovers no matter how well you plan your food requirements. Say no more to food wastage and spoilage. These pull-out drawers are designed to increase your storage space, providing surplus space for the excess food made for the party. Let's check them out. The fresh area storage also comes with 5 shelves, 4 door bins to store your bottles and jars, 2 big pull-out drawers for that wholesale vegetable shopping spree, 2 egg trays and an inbuilt water dispenser that pours out chilled water at the press of a button on the door. You can access pull-out drawers by opening the fridge doors to just 90 degrees and you don't have to push them all the way back just to open your drawers. Thus, not only does this refrigerator occupy minimal space in your home, it does so with maximum efficiency. Don't know what your precise temperature requirements are? Well, with this smart refrigerator, there's no need to guess or even check on Google anymore. With inbuilt artificial intelligence, this fridge itself selects the right temperature based on ambient temperature and the internal load to optimally preserve your food. It does this for both your freezer and fresh food storage area, so you don't have to worry about your ice melting or your veggies freezing. Do you have sudden party plans sometimes or unexpected guests? Well, you won't have to run across to your neighbors for a bucket full of ice, as this smart fridge comes with a super freeze option which can produce ice cubes in less than 2 hours. Don't be fooled by the massive size of this refrigerator. It promises to be more efficient in its cooling than even your small fridges. Still unsure about its cooling? Well, there's a solution for that as well. The super cooling option enables express cooling of the internal temperature at the click of a button, ensuring that your foods remain fresh and preserved come what may. Further, with a twin long cooling tower coupled with multi-airflow vents, this machine provides 360-degree cooling, maintaining temperature and freshness inside the refrigerator. Are you worried about your kids or domestic help leaving the door open for a long time? Or in your morning rush you've forgotten to shut the fridge door properly? Well, the door alarm will alert you in 60 seconds flat. So you can run back and make sure to shut the refrigerator door so you won't have to come home to melted ice, spoiled food and a sky-high electricity bill. This smart fridge also defrosts automatically. What this means is that you no longer have to hang around your fridge for half a day, unloading, defrosting and reloading it again. The smart features in the fridge automatically take note of when defrosting is required and does the needful accordingly. Do you have children opening the refrigerator innumerable times every day for a bottle of cold water? Well, fret no more. Marque has taken care of this problem by installing a water dispenser at the door. Now you can get chilled water at the push of a button without having to open and close the fridge every time. Not only does this save energy, but also increases cooling efficiency. That in turn helps maintain the freshness of food products inside as well. Are you constantly worried about your kids playing around with the dispenser and flooding your kitchen with cold water? This smart fridge also takes care of that. With a child lock in place, which once enabled, the dispenser handle does not move on being pressed, thus protecting your fridge and your floor from playful kids. This refrigerator comes installed with a digital touch panel with which you can control your refrigerator's temperature to your precise requirements. This increases your ease of use and sets right in with your modern home and lifestyle. The feature also comes with a child lock to ensure your naughty children don't mess around with your temperature settings. All you have to do to unlock is to hold down for 3 seconds and you can go back to taking precise control of your temperature requirements. Are you a light sleeper? Or you get disturbed by the humdrum of the machines we are surrounded by? Well, not the Marq 560 litre. This fridge functions as quiet as it can be while consuming less energy than its contemporaries. It consumes around 1.06 units of electricity per day, making it one of the most energy efficient and eco-friendly products in the market. Since this refrigerator uses R600A as a refrigerant, it keeps your family and home healthy without any damage to the environment, as this refrigerant does not lead to ozone layer depletion. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family for ensured quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. That's all from me today. Have a perfect buy.